Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and told me they learned how to do this off a video, but they have these white lines that they're afraid are going to show up, and how you could correct that. Well, they sent me the link to the video, and the gentleman did a great job of doing it, but he doesn't speak English or doesn't speak at all, and it's pretty cool. And so I thought I'd just show you real quick and then how you can do it. Polygon tool, 6-sided, make it about that. And then right now, make it a common number like 3.5. So you can do this. And then take your 2-point line, and you could probably do this with angling lines too, but this is another way to do a cube, type deal. And then let's group this together, Control G, and then just take it and put it up. And because we're 3.5, we can set our nudge factor on 3.5. Control D and make a duplicate and just go to your heart's content. Go all the way across your page. And I thought I did one more. Let's just get this out of it. Anyway, and then you just Control G and group that, Control D and duplicate, and then take that very sharp point and put it right there, Control D, and it's going to make it at an angle, but it doesn't matter. You're just using it for a grid. Now, I would group it together and hit P, and we're going to bring this E, and we're actually going to do the E, and see, you can see the lines of the cube. So the Smart Fill tool in this case is going to show off those lines, but their question was how to fix it, so I thought I'd just do a video on it and then fix it. So let's zoom in here and take the Smart Fill tool, and we're going to take I'm going to use a little bit darker of a color. Let's go, and what you're doing, well, you know what? I need to do the lighter color first because it'll be a lot easier to try to figure out. Let's use a light gray. What you're doing is you're basically drawing out this top part of the gray, and it's pretty fun. It's pretty easy. Just keep going and make one more there. And you need to make it big enough in this case, and you want it square. And then off that, go here. Let me zoom in here a little bit. And you could go, to your heart's content on this. This is pretty cool. So what we're doing, we're making the top part of the E, and now we're going to make, and I didn't space that out very good, but we're going to make the other part of the E, and we'll call that good. And then we'll change colors and make it a little darker. I should have actually done this in color. And then whatever you think you could see from the side to make it 3D looking. And because I have this group together in just a second, we will be able to, and this, I can see me using this in the future for making 3-dimensional looking shapes or letters. And there you have it. Now, because this is grouped, we can, well, let's change our nudge factor to let's see how big it is, 21 inches. So make your nudge factor 25, and let's nudge this out of the way. Now, even though we're going to take and left or right click no outline, you can still see the lines. So that was their main question. So now I'll get to their answer. And let's make our nudge factor, well, this could be up to 14 inches tall. We'll make it 15. And just take the lesser number of squares you have to move. And I'm just going to move all the dark ones. Because if you do this all together, it just won't work. And there might even be a way to control alternate, select this. I'm sure there is. You could select all these with the alternate and the shape key. But anyway, we got all these, so we're going to take these now, and we're going to, well, here's a good case for the freehand pick tool. Go around this guy, select them all, and then we're going to go to object and combine them. Now that that's combined, we could actually space it out a little bit. I do not like the freehand pick tool, but I use it from time to time. And then go up to object and combine these. So now you have a 3D looking letter with no lines. That's pretty cool. So I thank that viewer for sending me that, and I will probably use that in the future. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.